Hey everybody, Tyler with Riders in Motion. So today we are going to build a filtration system for our coach. Under $100. We were looking online at some of them, ranging between $300, $400, even close to $500. And ours is going to be a 3 filter instead of a 2. So let's get started today. We are here at a place that has very high calcium due to the fact that they are on a well system. So basically, they have a big hole in the ground, has a pump in there, sucks water out, and then it goes up into like a city main through this RV park, fed to each coach. Every time we shower and stuff, or we do dishes, we see the calcium build up, and it happens, every like 2 days, 3 days. We clean it all the time. It's become a hassle. So we ended up going to Lowe's today and purchased this A.O. Smith house filtration system. And then we got 3 of them. So for those 3, we got these filters that are 35 micron, a 20 micron, and a 5. So today we are going to build them. And so these actually don't just automatically connect in a way. So I went and bought some brass couplers. So these will just go in between here like so. And then I have the hose connections. So this will thread in. This is your national thread type. Then you have your regular 3/4 hose fitting. So go on here like so. I got a coupler to go on the end of the hose, so because your hose has a male fitting on it, so this female will screw right on to that male. So basically, imagine this is your hose coming, and then it's going to come on like so. You'll need instructions. So here's what the filtration system looks like. Came with the wrench so you can take these on. It slips on. Loosen it tightly. 2, on these systems, you want to pay attention because they have an out and in. And then here, when you turn the water on, you want to turn on the water slow, and then you want to go to each individual ones and just press this. It's a bleeder valve, gets all the air out of the system. To me, I like to dope it. Yeah, whatever. I'm not a plumber, but I'm a pipe fitter for fire protection. I like to do like 3 or 4 wraps, depending on the person. Another tip too. So Teflon tape is made for fixing any imperfections in the threads. So like on a pipe machine threads these nipples. They create these threads, right? And some of these threads will have any imperfections if the dye is what actually creates these threads from the pipe machine. So basically your Teflon tape just fixes any imperfections, your pipe sealant, your sealant from leaking. A lot of people think it's the opposite, or Teflon tape. is AC.
Connecting it. Going to get some water through it, flush it. Let's turn it on slow. Let's press all three of these. So this is basically like letting all the air out. Water's coming. So both got water. There we go. Okay, so here our filtration's set up. You know, I have this Y valve like this. This hose goes to our flush tank just when we drain our tank and I want to flush it out. The hose is already connected. But here's our in. And this filters through. So this is our 35 or 25 or 20 and then our 5. And then this is out, goes to the coach, comes in, there's a regulator. So now we're gonna go try a cup of water from see what happens.